Hey guys, it's a good morning. It's really good morning to me today because excited na pagising akong umaga para makita yung in-order ng boots ni Omani. My wife's mother, in-orderan niya ako ng shoes to give me extra protection while I'm riding my bike. So, I guess dineliver na ngayon sa Tick Bay. It's not just only a boots, gloves para sa gagamitin for winter. Because riding a motorbike like this, it's very cold and it will freeze your hand. So, I got another upgrade for my gloves and i-check natin din yun. And let's go and we'll try to unbox the boots. Okay, samahan niyo ako. Tingnan natin. Mama is pretty awake. So, wow, here it is. Here it is. It's an inside box. It's a torque. See that?
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else.
12.3 out from Dainese. So, kunin na natin to. I-unbox natin. So, it's the inside here. So, this is the winter gloves. And the main. This is the box here. The box. Try natin. Check. So, it's a Dainese boots. Ang laki ng box. Sobra. So, ano ba to? Ganito or like this? So big. So, how to open it? There you go. Buksan na natin ang laman. Wow, here it is. Para lang sapatos ni Iron Man ang dating niya eh. So, wow. So beautiful. So shiny. Parang ang sapatos, susot ka nito parang sapatos ni Iron Man. So I'm gonna put this here first. And this is the other one. There you go. Ito yung pair niya. Left side and the right side. Wow. So this box included with the, there's a manual here. Babasahin ko na lang to later. So very excited to try to wear this later on. So what's another included here is an Allen wrench. And there's a screw like this. Gamit ng screw nito, you're gonna have to, if ever you need to replace this one, aluminum. You have to, masobra na siya sa gasgas or damage. This is also going to protect your toe, and maybe magpaprotect ng toe. And pag sobrang damage na siya, you can replace this. It's an aluminum. Wow. So this is the inside of the box from Dainese, from Dainese. So beautiful. Wow. There's another one here, the winter gloves. Check out the new winter gloves. Here it is. This is the inside, the winter gloves from Dainese. Kasama na rin yung manual niya. So here it is, Dainese, and yung winter gloves. Terno sa kulay ng boots. So matry din natin to while going to work. So by Monday, ito try ko tong i-wear kung ito bang magpaprotect sa aking hands, because it's very cold now. It's very cold. So that's it. This is the inside of this box. Wow, so beautiful.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light.
Sobrang ganda. Mamaya ita-try ko i-fit kung gaano ba talaga kaganda. So beautiful. Para lang nagsusot ka ng shoes ni Iron Man. And so beautiful. Say thanks to my wife again, and especially to my mother-in-law for this. Just riding motorbike. Prone daw sa accident, sabi nila ni Amoni. So she bought me this for giving me a protection while riding my motorbike. So sobrang sulit talaga to pag gagamitin. I got a lot. I received too much in this year. I got R3 and this one. So very thankful. Salamat talaga. Kamsahamnida.